Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll enable Remote Desktop and prepare the target PC now. Open Settings System Remote Desktop and toggle Enable. This activates the service and why it's required. Make sure the account you'll use has a password and is added to Remote Desktop users. Once done, record the PC name or IP from About or run ipconfig. Make sure the PC is on the same network or reachable. Finally, allow Remote Desktop through Windows Firewall so incoming connections are accepted. Next, configure network routing and firewall so your client can reach the PC. In Windows Defender Firewall, allow the Remote Desktop app or open TCP port 3389. This permits the protocol through. If you'll connect from another network, either assign a static local IP to the PC or use dynamic DNS for a stable address. On your router, forward external port 3389 to that local IP. Make sure to use a strong password and consider changing the external port to reduce noise from scans. Now connect and verify. Open the Remote Desktop Client, MSDSC, or mobile app, enter the target PC name or public IP and supply your credentials. Choose to save them only if secure. Adjust display and resource redirection as needed. If the session fails, check Remote Desktop services are running, confirm firewall rules allow port 3389, verify the PC edition supports incoming RDP, and ensure the user is permitted. One key troubleshooting tip: enable network-level authentication and restart the Remote Desktop services before retesting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.